Hello friends, now we are talk about the ING group. The ING group is a Dutch multinational banking and the financial services corporation that the headquarter is at the Amsterdam. Its primary businesses are retail banking, direct banking, commercials banking, investment banking, wholesale banking, private banking, assets management and insurance services are including. With the total assets of the 1.1 trillion US dollar, it is the one of the biggest bank in the world and the constantly rank among the top 30 largest bank globally. It is the most of the top 10 in the list of the largest European companies by the revenue. ING is a Dutch member of the Intel Alpha group of the bank. It is a cooperative consortium of the 11 prominent European banks since the creation in 2012. ING Bank is a member in the list of the global systematically important bank. In 2018, the ING had 38.4 million clients in more than of the 40 countries, and the company is complemented for the Euro stocks, the 50 stock market indexes. ING is the abbreviation for the International Netherlands Gross, and that the orange line on the ING logo that the alludes to the group of the Dutch origins. The long-term debts for the company as that the your December in 2019 is that the 150 billion pounds. Now this company is able who just trades its goods to two major insurance companies in that the Netherlands and the banking services for the Dutch government. It's also to be a use for the Dutch government trading as that the postal services system to encourage the worker to start that the saving. For decades the later, they added that the post checks and the credit services along to the working families to make that the payment by of the post offices. And in 1991, the banking businesses of the NMB, the Post Bank grows, and the insurance businesses of the National Netherlands were merged to create the ING group. That of the ING group expanded its international businesses through the several acquisitions through the 1990s, and this the company is will be the part of the global operations such as that the Australia, Britain, China, Finland, France, Germany, Italy, India, Japan. More of that, the unlimited type of the your countries. This ING bank is available in that. Following that, the spectrums, your separation of the ING into the ING bank and the ING insurance. The head offices of the ING bank and the ING group was the Amsterdam Port Building. ING corporate head offices is situated in that the Amsterdam Innovations District in the southeast of the city. The five-story building has a glass your facade and the named after that the cat tree and the company who in the settlement in the 2012, the US Department of the Treasury offices of the foreign asset control announced that um, your $619 million settlement with that the ING bank uh, and B2 your satellite potentials liability of the cross spring to the violent. So hopefully guys like this video, then please like and share and keep supporting to us. Thank you for watching guys.